Hello everybody and welcome back to Weekly Investing. We're currently sitting at $1,300 total invested with a total portfolio size of $13.8883 with a weekly change of -$5. ORC, ARR, and USOI are the ones in the lead with MO following about halfway behind. Main and VOO and SCHD are also our backups here for our retirement-ish type of funds. Let's go ahead and head to our stocks really quickly here. As you can see, SCHD, Main, and VO are the groups, as I've said before, are the ones that are returning over a long period of time regularly. So these are big name brand ETFs, stock, dividend paying out that are really profitable in the long term. Like you can expect these to multiply as time progresses. Like in 40 years, if I consistently invest in these three, I will have a solid portfolio. However, I'm not only dumping it into these because I also want to try my own hand at it. Maybe I can do a little bit better. And so because these have like a roughly yearly return of anywhere from like 5 to 20% depending on the year. One of the reasons why they're on the better side. Now don't quote me on this, it could be wrong, but that's what I've gathered from my understanding of these. And this is not just in their dividend payouts, this is also in their stock growth as well. So both of these are just really good factors to keep into mind when you are investing in these three. Now that being said, I do have these big three up here as well, which have really high yields, as well as MO has really high stock growth. So these are the big four stocks that I'm currently investing in. ORC, ARR, and USOI obviously being the big three that I'm dumping like 70% of my weekly investment into at this time, just because the yields are above 20%. Now this has its pros and cons, as I'll say in every video. The yields are very nice now, but these yields can really change really fast, and as a result I could end up losing money if I'm not careful. So this is one of the things that when it comes to my investment strategy, I'm perfectly fine with doing this because I'm kind of hands-on approach and I'm constantly watching, but I also have to be watching because there could be a time where I need to sell because they're getting low in value, and we want to make sure that we're maintaining the max amount of value on each stock as possible. We did start this entire weekly strategy with ORC in first. Like when we first started investing, ORC was the big one, so that's one of the reasons why that has the highest profit margins at the moment with the 14.3%. But we do have AGNC down here with the 15%, as well as PSEC with the 9%. So as you can see, as returns increase, it's showing some nice improvements to the portfolio size. But we are sitting at $1,300 total invested with profits of $89.58 with a percent profit of 6%. And if I was to consistently earn the 6.89% every 13 weeks, as we have done here for over a year, that'd be an average of 27-ish%. So that would be really good returns, but this percentage mark could just fluctuate as time progresses. This is just to show the total percent since we've started investing, and like I said, this will change as time progresses. If we hop over to our dividends tab here, you can see we've received 6 cents here from PSEC from the previous week, and we're also expecting USOI to hit actually tomorrow for $2.84 dividend payout, which is looking awesome. If we jump to our calendar over here, as you can see, for the month of January, we have actually jumped to 1148, and assuming that there's no other payouts expected, we're still sitting at our highest month possible so far. So given the fact that we've been doing this for about 3 months now, this is awesome to see. So we're actually consistently getting returns. And if we look at this, if we can expect the $11.48 monthly at the $1,300 that we've invested in, 48 divided by the 30, looking at that, and then multiply that by 12 for the year, we're looking at a 10 to almost 11% return just in dividend payouts, which is looking awesome. And that's literally just off of what we got currently. This is not accounting for any other, because the way dividend payouts work is they have typically set schedules, and so even though I got 1148 for this month, they could have not processed all of the recent transactions that I've done for this month. So next month it's probably going to end up being a little bit bigger because I've put in more money. Keep snowballing, and completely awesome. I'm very excited for this. But yeah, we're looking at 1148 for the month of January. February is going to be exciting to see. March, April, so on and so forth. But that looks like it's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, as always, please sure to comment, like, subscribe for more. I do hope to see you all in the next one. Adios, and have a fantabulous day. Peace.